Hello, my name is Anna and I'm going to show you how you can apply for your new style bus pass. Now you can do this on a desktop or computer, on a tablet or on a mobile phone. If you need assistance, then please ask somebody for help. Firstly, go to the Transport for Wales website and click on Apply for a New Style Travel Card. You will need the following: your existing 19-digit number, which is on your existing bus pass. You will need your national insurance number, which you can find on a payslip or a pension statement. Next, you will need your postcode. Now, please use the postcode from where the card is registered to, and when you enter it, make sure you input it with a space. Next, your date of birth, and then you can upload a new photo or you can use your existing one. If you use your existing photo, then make sure it is a good likeness of how you look now. The application process allows you to take a new photo of yourself if you need to, which you can then upload. Put your preferred first name in the name field rather than your full name. And then finally, preview your new card. There is an option to add Braille. Next and finally, make sure you select your language and marketing preferences and agree to the terms and conditions, and you are all done. If you have any problems or questions, then please contact the following.